Imagine you're running a race, but instead of looking ahead, you're busy checking out other runners, listening to gossips from sidelines, or stopping to argue with someone who says you're too slow. What happens? You lose. Life is the same way. The world is full of distractions, social media, meaningless debates, and who specialize in wasting time. The more you focus on things outside your control, the further you drift from your goals. Success comes to those who discipline their minds and focus on their journey. Distractions are everywhere, and they come in different forms. Sometimes they disguise themselves as small, seemingly harmless conversations. Other times, they appeared as doubts planted by others who don't believe in you. The truth is, people will always have something to say, but what they say has nothing to do with your destiny. Instead of worrying about who's saying what about you, channel that energy into self-improvement. Develop your skills, sharpen your mindset into the best version of yourself. If you keep your eyes on your own progress, you'll be surprised at how fast you grow. Great people don't waste time on sideshows. They focus on their goals and let their success do the talking. So, what's distracting you today? Is it worth your time? If not, let it go. Stay focused, stay committed, and keep moving forward. Your future depends upon discipline you've today. Have you ever seen a chicken trying to fight a cow? It's ridiculous. Some battles are not worth fighting, and some situations don't need your attention. Every time you get involved in things that doesn't concern you, you waste precious time that could be spent building your dreams. Distractions come in many forms: gossips, online debates, unnecessary arguments. And they all have one thing in common: they steal your focus without adding value to your life. You don't have to attend every argument you're invited to. Someone somewhere is talking about you. Let them. Their opinion wouldn't pay your bills or build your future. Someone creating drama? Let them. Successful people don't waste time proving themselves. The secret to success is minding your business. You were not born to solve everyone's problems, nor you should carry unnecessary burdens. When you focus on your own journey, you gain success, peace, and progress. Those who are truly successful don't chase validation or get caught up in trivial matters. Next time you feel tempted to engage in something that doesn't serve your purpose, ask yourself, will this help me grow? Or is it just a distraction? If it's the latter, walk away and keep moving forward. Think of your energy like the battery on your phone. If you use it wisely, it lasts the whole day. If you use it on nonsense, it dies before noon. Your mind and body have limited energy, so be careful. When you dedicate yourself to improving, you radiate confidence, peace, and determination, qualities that draw others in. Instead of caught in dharma, you become an example of what's possible when someone stays in their lane and works hard. Want a meaningful life? Mind your own business, stay focused, and let your journey be the proof that it works. So keep your eyes on your path, stay dedicated to your purpose, and watch how your life transforms into something extraordinary. While others are busy watching, you're busy winning.